Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, four-wheel drive, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. Your new ride is just a phone call away.